The truth.
Hey guys, so today my boyfriend came home from work early and he was like, girl, I've been trying to call you. What the Ugh, Vegas is so hot right now. But yeah, he came and he's like, what do you think if we go to Cali? I was like, hello sugar daddy, hello. I was like, yes, let's go. So what made you want to take this spontaneous trip?
A lot of reasons that we haven't really gone out in a little while, and it's time to start doing some summer adventures because you start summer break and because it's your birthday month. This is kind of like a way to start your birthday month. What better way than to take a little trip to California?
Aw, yeah, it's my birthday month. I don't just take a birthday, I take the whole month. And yeah, with the help of a sugar daddy, you can accomplish anything, you guys. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. I'm your sugar daddy. I like how it just changes to 40 miles an hour when nobody slows down.
Okay, so we finally passed the state line.
And this truck has passed me twice already. What the
This is like the cutest bike I've ever seen. Like, it looks better in person. So guess where we're going?
We're going to Disneyland.
I know, I'm so excited. It was like a spontaneous thing, but with us, everything's spontaneous, right?
Yes. Living life on the edge.
Of glory, like Lady Gaga. I've been liking Disneyland. Whoa, loving, huh?
You can bring the cord in there.
Do you want to get it? Yeah, let's get it.
Okay.
So I've been loving Disneyland since I was like 5. So yeah, I'm so excited. And I really want to get the rose gold ears that he promised he'd get me.
Oh, the ears, yeah, because it's time to upgrade from the regular ones to the really extra ones.
Yeah, because when I was 15, instead of getting a quince, my different self decided to go to Disney World, and my parents got me some ears, and I took that as my tiara. So we came to have breakfast at Coco's. I've been having Coco's for breakfast every time I come to Disneyland ever since I was a kid, so I'm super excited. Bone apple tea. Operation Find the Rose Gold Ears is finally complete.
Yeah.
He's the one that found them, or else, because I don't really pay attention to anything going on.
Everybody never found them.
Yeah. Thank you, baby.
No problem. I love you.
I love you too. Damn, we did not expect it to be this hot over here.
It's so humid. I feel weird.
I know. Me too. Like, I mean, it's not that bad, but like being out here for life. But I mean, Vegas is really hot too, but it's like dry heat, and like humid heat just feels very like...
It feels like a never-ending sauna.
Yep, just like that. So we went on 2 rides already, and now we're just gonna go and get on more rides.
Yeah, we've gone to the Cars one, and Toy Story maybe. Oh, and the Star Wars tour. Why?
Why are you shy?
Because
Other people are doing it.
I know.
Just go up it and touch the box.
Why do you want me to go up there and touch the box?
Do it for the YT.
The YT?
Instead of do it for the Vine, and do it for the YouTube. ride, which is Small World. And it's funny because he's a little scared of dolls, but just like a childhood fear.
Yeah. Never watched Puppet Master.
But he still gets on it because he loves me.
Yes.
It's so sad leaving.
Yeah, I don't want to leave either.
I want to go back to Disneyland.
Me too.
Right now we're gonna go to the beach and just chill there.
And live life.
I love you.
I love you too.
So we're out here in Laguna Beach,
Hey.
and
I should have given a pixie. I don't know what to get. What should I get? What kind of drink should I get? A chronicle in the daily life of me battling my demons and wondering what drink I should get.
alright, so we're finally heading home. Actually, not finally. We're sadly heading home. I don't want to go home. But we gotta go because my babe needs to finish his essay.
I don't want to do it.
He also has to go back to work tomorrow, so.
I don't want to go to work. Oh, wait, shit. Oh, wait, what's right here?
Oh, wow. Yeah, he's like a pro driving in Cali. I feel like I get lost here. I always tell people to go to like the wrong exits, and then it adds like 30 minutes to our drives and stuff, but luckily he knows what he's doing.